guys, I'm here again. So I'll show you how to cook the ground beef with cooking cream. This is the one of my alaga favorite, guys. I make this just one and he like the taste. So first tip, guys, is now the beef is look brown. So I will put the spices. So first tip is, first spices is a small amount of sugar, ginger powder to remove the smell of the beef, cumin, Arabic spices, but I don't know what in English is this. Then baharat. I don't know what in English this too. Then after that, the important is black pepper. Important to remove the smell of beef. Then I put half of Maggi syrup. Maggi syrup in Philippines, but here is Maggi. Look guys, the spices all is there, so I need to combine it all. The meat is just color brown already, so it means it's cooked. That's why looks like there's circle because the meat is fresh. I need salt too. A little amount of salt, just a little. And now guys, I follow the last, the cooking cream. So look what we follow, the cooking cream. Try this at home. It's easy recipe. That's guys. And we need 15 minutes to boil. If the cooking cream is boiled, it's already done. So we cover first and wait for 15 minutes. Thank you guys. I'm back. 15 minutes already. So look, this is now. It's already cooked. So I turn off na guys, then I put na to the box. With rice that guys, with rice. So kitong labis mula akong then the rice, then there's rice together guys. The rice, this is the white rice. So I put rice first, 70 grams only. So hot guys, so hot. We need to estimate 70 grams. So hot guys, so hot. Then that's the rice. Then I follow this, the meat. Guys, I need to taste it. Tastes good. Rice, then the top is meat. Look, I'll show you guys. That's rice. So I put up the meat like this. I need 4 meals now, guys. I need 4 meals. Hi guys, this is our finished product. We make 4 meal today for my alaga. So I need to cover the guys and I put to the ref so that when he's wake up, he's going to eat. So we make 4 meals today guys, 4 meals. Bye guys, thank you for watching.